Foshan Sanshui Kalku Electrical Appliance Limited, a leading OEM and ODM manufacturer with 37 years of experience in the mobile refrigeration industry. We specialize in the innovation and manufacture of high-quality products, including car fridges, truck air conditioners, RV air conditioners, and portable air conditioners. Our modern workshop spans 32,243 square meters, equipped with 4 automated assembly lines, enabling a daily production capacity of up to 2,000 units to ensure reliable delivery. Kalku has developed strong R&D capabilities, offering tailored solutions in appearance design, structure design, PCB design, app design, 3D mock-up sampling, molding, off-tool sampling, reliability test, trial production. Our factory strictly adheres to the IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 quality management systems. Supported by MES control system, we conduct rigorous performance tests on key components and finished products, such as enthalpy difference test, vibration test, high temperature test, noise test, and aging test, guaranteeing consistent excellence in mass production. Also, our products have passed international standards, including CECB, FCC, RoHS, and so on. Now, Kalku's products are distributed and trusted across numerous global markets, including Western Europe, Australia, South Africa, Turkey, Korea, and Southeast Asia. We have established strategic partnerships with over 60 leading brands, and the global sales exceeded 1 million units, significantly expanding our market influence and distribution network worldwide. Moreover, we offer mature after-sales service and free spare parts, ensure effective resolution for any customer inquiry. We warmly welcome potential partners to join us in creating a brighter future.